In this video, we'll show you on how to enable developer mode or USB debugging on a Samsung Android device. First, go to Settings on your device. Scroll down and tap on About Tablet or About Phone, depending on your device. Next, select Software Information. Tap on Build Number 7 times in a row. You'll see a message confirming that developer mode has been enabled. The Developer Options menu will now appear in your Settings menu. From here, you can enable developer mode to access advanced features. Keep in mind, developer mode is hidden by default because it includes advanced settings that most users don't need. It's recommended to use developer mode only if you're familiar with Android app development. Developer mode provides tools for testing and debugging Android apps, helping to ensure they perform well on various devices. If you ever want to disable developer mode, simply slide the toggle bar to the left.